Hi guys, welcome back to your Not So Ordinary Scrapbook channel. This morning I received the May kit for Felicity Jane and I thought I would unbox it for you. Honestly did not even look at the preview of this one, so I'm not exactly sure what's in it. So we'll both be surprised. This is the girl for this month. Not sure what her name is yet. Does it say? It'll say once we get inside, but she's just a cute girl with her phone. So I'm gonna open the ribbon as usual. And it looks like we got a bunch of goodies in here this month. The girl's name is Reese. So this girl is Reese. Every one of the kits has a girl that is the theme of the kit. So, so this is the Reese stamp set, and it looks like it's all florals and spring flowers. It looks like we got a paper pack this month. There are some more flowers and plaids and cherries and just some really cute papers. Let's see if they're double-sided. I'll open these. So we've got this, which I'll use. I'll cut apart and I'll use the pieces of it. And it's cardstock, it's not paper. So we've got these florals. And it looks like I can just kind of peek at the 12 by 12 papers, and I think it's the same patterns, only smaller scale. So, and they are double-sided. So there's plaid on this side, floral on this side, this gray lace pattern, cherries on this side. Sorry. We have someone mowing the lawn and the dogs are barking for some reason. I don't know why. This is a tan colored polka dot. White polka dots on tan. Or I don't know if you would call this tan. It's more of a like a rust color maybe. And then a gray gingham. And then that same rusty type color with like a blush pink in perpendicular stripes and a white polka dot on light blue. Another floral. So maybe we got two of each. Yeah, it looks like we got two of each, so you can use like one side of one and one side of the other. So there are duplicates of each pattern, which makes it nice because then you don't have to decide which one you're going to use. So that is the paper kit. I'm not going to take the time to put it back in the plastic. This looks like a stencil, just like a polka dot stencil, which is kind of nice. This is the letter set this month, and it's puffy stickers. And they're just all these muted colors that are trending right now. The purple, everything is like a dusty color, like dusty mauve, dusty purple, gold, kind of the boho colors that are popular right now. And then more of these Chipboard Hearts, which came in last month's kit, but I believe they're a different color palette. So these are nice because they can be used in place of the enamel dots or along with enamel dots. And not only that, they are pretty sticky, so you don't have a lot of chipboard doesn't stick very well and you have to use glue. I find that these are pretty sticky because I've used some of them already. Not in this kit, but in last month's kit. These are all the Ephemera that came in this kit. And it looks like she might be a college girl. You Are Magic. Kind of gives off teenage vibes a little bit. Or maybe like young college vibes. And these are the cards for this month. I didn't open the ephemera because there's just always so many tiny pieces, and I don't normally open the ephemera anyway, but I will open the cards. So this says today is magical. Some flowers, really pretty. Chapter 5, because May is the 5th month. So like if you're doing Project Life, each month has a chapter number, which is kind of nice because like if you're putting it all in one album for Project Life, you would use this like at the beginning of the month, like chapter 5 May, chapter 4 is April, etc. This is an ampersand with some flowers. Is there 2 there? I don't think so. Kind of feels like, it kind of feels very, very thick. Yeah, there's 2 there. I can't get it apart though. Wow, there we go. The gray gingham, just in a larger size. This rust color in a tag. I would probably just cut off this white part and then use it and punch that and use it as a tag. Different colored polka dots. Some stripes. Some of these are sticking together. They're not really sticking together. They're just like right next to one another and hard to get apart. Some notebook paper. A really cute boho rainbow. Some gold stars. And then like an oval, like a journaling box type card. And then next we have, it looks like Essentials label stickers. So these are always nice to have, like if you're building a cluster and to write like a little bit of information down your page. And it looks like they're in all the colors. So we've got gray, it's the only one there, and this like dark teal, goldenrod, and they're adhesive. This rust color, yeah, and then the blush pink. And then I think all that's left is the paper pack. So these are the colors of the paper pack. It's a little different than the smaller one. There was a miniature of this one, a miniature of the gingham. The lace is a little bit different, and I think that's the only ones that were the same in the small pad of paper. So okay, so the Reese paper pack. This paper is called Floral and Plaid. I'm gonna make sure that you can see it. And this is the plaid on the back. It's just a gray and white. I don't don't know what kind of flowers those are. They're not daisies for sure. They're cute flowers, but I don't know what they are. I don't know what I would call them. This is Bold Stripe and Ditzy Floral. It's like a bold stripe of all the colors of the palette that's in this kit, and then here's the floral and the decorative branding strip. That's the gray gingham. This one is called Swiss Dot and Diamond, and it's that light blue, and the back is this like rust color. I think it matches that lace, but it's a different pattern. It's not the same pattern. And then this is the decorative branding strip. This is called Gingham and Spots. So this is just a larger version of the gray gingham. And then this is a black and white spot. And then this is the decorative branding strip. This one is called Garden and Grid. So Reese must be a garden girl. And just a bunch of really pretty cute flowers. And then this is a grid that is that rust color. And then this is kind of a, this is a decorative branding strip. That's almost the opposite of the, this is called Spotted and Stripe. This is a goldenrod with white spots. And then this is the stripe. It's different colors. And then there's the decorative branding strip is white stars on blue. And then this is the cardstock. This is the rust color. A blush pink. A light blue, and a gray. And that looks like that's it for this month. So I hope to be back later on. I have a pretty busy day today. I'm just mainly cleaning a bunch of stuff. And then I also have to work later too. So I don't know if I'll get to film today or tomorrow. I know it's National Scrapbook Weekend, and I would love to scrapbook this weekend, but I don't know if I'm gonna get time to do that. Hopefully I'll get a little bit of time to do a little bit of scrapbooking. It's a beautiful day outside, and one of my favorite things to do is to scrapbook outside. That's like my ultimate favorite thing to do. When it's nice out and it's not too windy. But tomorrow I know that we have to go to Indiana and pick up Ethan. So we're meeting them in Lafayette. So I'll be gone a big portion of the morning, and I don't know I'm not exactly sure what our plans are for later in the afternoon. So but hopefully I'll be back here because I really want to start making some page kits. That's one of my favorite things to do, and it brings me joy. So I'm hoping to at least grab one bag of scraps and get some paper kits put together, and then maybe another day this coming week I can add some embellishments. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time here at Your Not So Ordinary Scrapbook channel. Bye.